Hey, what's going on, everybody on YouTube? EXO coming at you here with our Low C3XLE one more time. The last video that you guys saw, we just shimmed up our diffs, but today we are going to be strengthening our body. This comes with a beautifully painted Lexan body. We're gonna do the good old standard method of some drywall tape mixed in with some good old goop. Now, the biggest thing to remember is that this drywall tape needs to stick on the inside of your body, so it only makes sense to spring for the heavy-duty stuff at Home Depot. What I did is basically some symmetrical cuts on the parts of the truck that I thought were gonna get beat up the most. Let's face it, I'm gonna be doing wheelies, so I went ahead and applied a good amount of that drywall tape in those crevices. The glue is what we're gonna press into those small little holes on the mesh. That's gonna make up all of that empty space, and to go the extra mile, I even trimmed out the back swivel mounts. That way we could fit in a really good portion of adhesive and drywall tape around those holes, as well as pour a lot in, like I'm talking a pretty good amount, and let gravity kind of set it in. With those steps, we had a very, very strong truck. Then I went ahead and just took some Gorilla Tape and laid some down on the side rails to prevent any of that annoying clunk clunk. And I also put in some high density foam and put it as like a little buffer zone inside the cabin, so when it lands on the roof, it will have something to press up against. And that's exactly what I did next with the aluminum brace. I bought this stuff from Home Depot and just coated it up real good with some spray paint, but holy crap, I think this will do just the trick. But that's pretty much what we have done so far to the truck, and it only added really not too much weight at all. I have a before and after shot of how much we added for weight. Everything that we added was well worth it, and will keep this truck looking good for a long time coming. I hope this can help you make your truck stronger. You can apply this to pretty much any body. Alright guys, thanks for watching. This is EXO signing out.